How many hair we have per graft of W transplant? Usually each graft is a follicular unit that consists of a few hair shafts, hair follicles, and sebaceous glands and nerves and vessels and everything. So it's like a small piece of skin graft. But if you look at it, the number of hair per graft is different from person to person and from ethnicity to ethnicity. Usually in Caucasians, on average, people have 2.5 hair per graft. So if you get a procedure of 2,000 grafts, you are getting 5,000 hair shafts. So now, if you go to Asian patients, if you consider Asian patients, they may have one or two, not a lot of 2s and 3s or 3s and 4s. So that means they have less hair per graft in total. So the best way of doing this is to do it as follicular units, which is the basic anatomic unit of hair, and we should not cut them unless we have to. For example, when we need singles and we don't get enough singles, we have to make them. But usually we should not divide the grafts. Dividing grafts meaning that you artificially make more grafts and you're not necessarily adding more hair. So the hair number is the same, but grafts number is becoming more. And unfortunately, in some places, they are charging patients by hair, not by graft, and people get confused and say, oh, wait a second, this place is giving me 5,000 hair, and you are giving me like 2,000 grafts. So those are totally different. 2,000 grafts could be the exact same as 5,000 hair. So you have to be careful how the clinic is performing and what terminology they use. And finally, you have to have a good trust in the clinic that you choose for your hair transplant.